The Triumph Trident 660 has always delivered solid performance in a modest package, an approachable, agile middleweight with all the right ingredients. But in the hands of French custom specialists FCR Original, that same platform has been reborn as the Trident RS, sharper, sleeker, and radiating character from every angle. With a vision rooted in modern cafe racer styling, FCR has transformed the Trident into a machine that feels like a factory concept come to life. At the front, a bikini fairing wraps tightly around the headlight, giving the RS a purposeful, aerodynamic silhouette without overwhelming the clean, minimalist base. The rear has been thoroughly revised, with a sculpted tail section replacing the two-up seat. FCR's design slots in cleanly and reversibly, making it as practical as it is stylish. A two-part seat with black upholstery and white stitching caps off the new rear end, mounted on a beautifully finished aluminum seat base. Complementing the new silhouette are functional upgrades designed for Rio riders. Clip-on handlebars fit perfectly into the fairing's lines, offering a sportier stance. SW Motuk rider pegs, a custom radiator guard, and LED lighting throughout subtly modernize the bike without straying from its original DNA. The ceramic-coated exhaust, aluminum tail tidy, and engine bash plate finish the look, giving the RS a compact, muscular vibe. Every component in the RS package is designed and manufactured in France by FCR Original, and it's all available to the public. Whether you want the full kit painted to match your Trident, or prefer a raw finish for a total custom job, the choice is yours. FCR also offers individual upgrades for those wanting to evolve their bike step by step. Adjustable clip-ons, bar and mirrors, Brembo levers, and even carbon fiber wheels are available, along with a K&N air filter and Michelin Power 6 tires to dial up the performance. And while the RS keeps the engine mostly stock for now, FCR hints at more power-focused options coming soon. With the Trident RS, FCR Original hasn't just customized a motorcycle, they've elevated it. The result is a bike that retains the reliability and rideability of the original, but with presence, poise, and personality in spades.